Welcome. In this video, we're discussing types of sets, and specifically, we shall be looking at the universal set. A universal set also has a symbol. It's like that E, or some books do write it in this way, or that. So that's the symbol for universal set under set notation. Now, a universal set depends on the scenario or context in some cases. So a universal set is basically the set that contains the set in question. So let me give an example. If we had colors red, yellow, black, in that sort, and that is our set A. Set A would belong to a universal set of colors, because in this case the members of set A can be part of the colors. On the other hand, still in a similar example, if I had another set B, which was just red, blue, yellow, and I'm asked to think of a universal set it would belong to, in this case, the universal set could be colors of the rainbow. So universal sets depend on the scenario or context. Let's use this example. If we have a question, there's a question here that requires us to suggest a universal set for each of the following sets. So A has members carrot, cabbage, celery, lettuce. So in this case, the universal set could be vegetables, because all those belong to vegetables. Whereas in question, in part B, where our set B has 2, 4, 6, 8. Now, if set B was to be classified as a set of integers, of integers, yes, the universal set would be integers. If set B, we were to look at set B as integers, whereas if we were to look at it as even numbers between 2 and 10 inclusive, the universal set would be even numbers. Or the universal set could also be multiples of 2, because set B could come from all of those sets. One key thing to remember is that with a universal set, we have to think about the context of the set in the question or the scenario that we are talking about.